Hey, 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 it's Mindy, and yes, I have a Diamond Art Club box sitting on my counter. Yeah, let's get it out. Ooh, 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 look it. Wow, you got, oh, whoa, it's big. Didn't think it was gonna be that big. It's big. It's a Betty Boop. You guys, it's Betty Boop. I couldn't believe it that one day when all of a sudden I was like, wait a minute, Diamond Art Club, what are you doing? What is this? Betty Boop, 4 Betty Boops. Okay, I didn't need all 4. I just wanted one. I've loved Betty Boop for a long time. I told one of my friends, look, my outer box got a in it, and so did this one. Look, somebody stepped on my box. Anyhow, I have loved Betty Boop forever. I have an entire Pinterest board of Betty Boop pictures. Yes, look at, now this has been noted before that this has like a hang tag. So this could possibly be out in stores. Now we've heard they're coming to Joann's. So maybe Miss Betty Boop is going to go to Joann's. We don't know. We'll find out. But look at, I love this box. It has the whole picture on it up here. Does it show like drill area on here? It does. Okay, so look, I did not know it was a partial when I ordered it. I did not. So this is like, you know, it shows you the entire canvas here, and then it shows you the drill area. Kind of like what Diamond Dots does, right? Here's the drill area. Here's the whole completed canvas. So my thought is for sure these might just show up in the stores. The back of the box is still the same, except of course it's black and it has Betty on it. But your contents, your instructions are all there. Look, they have a picture over here of what comes in the box. Tray and wax and stuff. And these are the little diamonds. Look at how cute. How cute. She's a 51 by 71. I love it. I love it. All right. It doesn't even hurt my feelings that it's partial. I mean, it doesn't. As long as it's going to turn out nice. I thought the black and white polka dotted background would be fun to diamond paint, but it's all right. It's okay. All right. There's what it looks like. Sticker, toolkit, big sticker, everything we need. It's right there. Something else too. Yeah, I saw somebody else with that as well. I'll keep that box. The box is cool, right? It's just got Betty on it. It's cool. So this makes me feel like, yes, if you buy it from a store, this is what you'll get. And you can still have your guarantee, because even though they don't know who purchased it, because you can just walk into a store and pick it up, if you register it, then it's registered to you and you get all of the insurances that you would if you'd purchased through the website. So that's my thought right there, right? Register it, because they don't know who has it in their hands. But once you register, they know it's you. All right. Has the little small sticker you can put in a logbook or on the box, or I'm not putting it on the box. Put it wherever you want to put that little sticker, okay? Then they have the big sticker sheet. Mine got folded. Big sticker sheet tells you it's a square, the measurements, 8 colors. Betty Boop and Pudgy. That's who we have, Betty Boop and Pudgy. Yeah. How cute is that, right? Okay, we just said it's a square kit. So with a square kit, you'll get squishy. There's my 4-placer. I love that they're putting in these thin multi-placers, the 4-placers. Your pen, wax, baggies, the tray, and tweezers with a square. All right, you'll always get tweezers with a square. Yay, there's toolkit. All right, let's open it. Let's open. How many people got a Betty Boop? I know some people got all 4. I know a couple people that got 2. Yeah, I just needed one. Just one. And I had a hard time deciding. I like this one and I like the other black and white one. You know what? I like the one with the pink and purpley blue backgrounds with all the stripy words but at the time I didn't think I wanted to diamond paint all of that, but actually that one ended up being a partial. So look, you can tell, look, this paper is not attached. This is the cover sheet, but it is not stuck down to this part because none of that is sticky, right? So that's just wanting to be loose. Loosey-goosey. Oh, she's pretty big. Oh my gosh, she is pretty big. It didn't look that big. I mean, I've seen other people. I saw Mrs. Coffee completed it, and she didn't look quite that big, but she's large and in charge, Betty is, you guys. Betty is in the house. Yes. So see, this will not stick because none of this is sticky, right? Okay. None of this is drilled. So you draw her. Oh my gosh, look at her. Isn't she sexy? She's Miss Claus, right? Look at, she even has like some peppermint candy cane earrings on, right? Oh man, she's cute. I love her. Look, she's got a little heart on her hip there. Yeah. All right, down here, look what it says. So it says Betty Boop and Pudgy. Here's the measurements. It's King Feature Syndicate. Fleischer Studios Incorporated. So I've heard Betty Boop is really not very copyrighted because I don't know, she's been around forever and I don't know. But apparently they went through this King Feature Syndicate to get this picture. Awesome. She's so cute. She's so cute. I love her. Oh yeah. Okay. So we only have, what do we say? We have 8 different drills, right? Here they are. Look at the colors. There they are. Bam. Love her. Love her, love her, love her. I don't know why I've always had this Betty Boop fascination. I don't know. Just because she's like this sometimes cute, sometimes sexy kind of cartoon chick. I don't know. All right, here's our colors. 2 bags of $7.54. My guess is that's her skin. There's a lot of skin. A lot of skin. $3.10 black. All this is going to be outlined with black. All the black outlining. 2 bags of $6.05. That's a big heart. A lot of $6.05 for the heart, right? Beautiful pink though. Here's our AB, $131. It's orange. It's really orange. Here it looks yellow, but it's really orange. So it's going to be the letters. It's going to be her bracelet, her belt buckle, her bracelet over here. All right. All of that looks gold, but it's going to be this beautiful 131 orange. Aurora Borealis. Iridescent coating. Shimmers, shines, glistens, gleams. 5200 is the white. So pudgy, and then all the fur gets white, right? Okay. And then 666 red. Her Santa suit and hat is all red. A little dark pink for the hearts. And we have a little bit of greenish color. Where's the green go? Her eyes. Yes, she's going to have some green eyes. Mint green eyes. Yay. Can that get any cuter? I don't think it can get any cuter. I love it. It's beautiful. It doesn't look like it'll take too long. Yeah. Super, super cute. I love it. So I would look for her. I mean, she's still on the website. I believe they're still available, but maybe she's going to show up in stores. Who knows? I think I heard somebody else, another artist is going to be in the stores, but I'm just going to keep that to myself right now. I don't know if that's public knowledge. All right. There you go. There's Betty. Boop, boop, be doop, boop. See you later.